All right, Keith, you got to follow the ice cream story. However, I think you've got something that might top it.
Yeah. Like whether that's more conducive to getting ice cream outside in.
It all comes together.
Yeah, it actually looks really nice this weekend, which it doesn't always for the first day of spring. Of course, meteorological spring began March 1st, but as far as most people consider it, it's tomorrow. Upper 30s, mid 30s for highs today. It was chilly out there. There's really no two ways about it, and it was windy too. Starting to die down. The winds are now 15 to 20 miles an hour, but they did gust at times up to 35 miles an hour. So not like it's going to do any damage, but it was a little bit uncomfortable and it made it feel colder than it really was. Visible satellite here, we're losing the angle on it, but really more so, there's just not a lot to show you. And that's what I think is unique about this stretch going forward, is sometimes we get mild days in March, but we don't usually pile them up like this and also do it with sunshine. So that's what makes it so great. All right, overnight tonight, temperatures drop down to the upper 20s for the most part. It's almost like the overnight part of it is being offset by the fact that temperatures are trying to warm up in the air mass. And so we kind of stay relatively flat overnight tonight. And so tomorrow we start chilly. So don't, talk about a nice weekend. Don't get too excited and get out there tomorrow morning with a t-shirt because it'll be in the 30s. But eventually we get into the upper 40s and low 50s by tomorrow afternoon under mostly sunny skies. And if that's not good enough for you, your standards are high, number one. But number two, we can do better on Sunday, starting around freezing but ending up in the low 60s away from the coastline and I think mid 50s along the coast. So if I had to pick a day, I would pick Sunday, but both are really nice for mid-March standards. So I added wind direction to this map, temperature map, just to show you that we have a general onshore flow for the next couple of days. And that's why the coastline is in the low 50s and inland is closer to 60 on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and into Wednesday. So if you are craving the milder weather, you do have to get away from the immediate coastline. This isn't even really a sea breeze. A sea breeze develops when it's warm over the land and the difference in pressure drives the wind off the ocean. This is just the wind being off the ocean in general. So we're not going to be able to really dodge this at all. Maybe Thursday wind direction changes enough for us to see warmer temperatures along the coast. So inland temperatures are warmer than coastal temperatures, right around 60 Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, upper 50s, back to 60 or so on Thursday. And then if you look at coastal temperatures, we're in the low 50s and mid 50s, which is still, just to be clear on this, 10, 11, 12 degrees above average for this time of the year. Notably absent, guys, from this forecast, of course, snow. Our next system that comes in is on Friday, and that looks to be just rain at this time. And with this temperature pattern, it would be pretty hard to get snow out of it.
And given how dry it's been, that probably wouldn't be the worst thing in the world.
Yeah, it's true. I'm sure we'll get one more little one, but we are running out of time statistically.
Thank you, Keith.